Hello you guys. About the two big machines, we will finish them soon. This is the flat of this press brake. See, it's very big, very high, more than about 1 meters high. The length of each press brake is 6 meters length. The throat is big and the open height is big because it's for the making of the post, the light post. You know the light post. we can see the light post beside the highway. See, 600 ton, 6 lengths each one machine. So total working length is 12 meter length. The controller is this is working lever with prying. The cylinder, very big cylinders. Our electric guys are setting the electric parts into the machine. The controller is fabric made from Switzerland. Okay. This is a CNC press brake. You can see the Verna type working lever. The funnel spot with the wheels, we can adjust the funnel spot up, down, left and right. Change clamps. One touch point we press after we push it, so the clamps is released, so we can change the bladders. And the controller is a fabric metal switch. Electrical parts of the machine. The command. The servo driving. Servo driving is made from Japan. Innovenus. Back catch. So this is the servo motor for the up-down moving of the package. The fingers can be moved to left and right. This is the oil tank of the machine. So it's with the servo motor, so working noise is very, very low. This is the ruler. You can see the ruler. The brand of ruler is a JIANGSU, made from Italy. We promise you we supply the best price and the best quality machines from China. Welcome to connect with us.